Hey, it's Casey Pendleton here at Dayton Ford, Dayton, Tennessee, and I have a very special truck to share with you today. If you are a dog lover, an animal lover, if you are an owner of a kennel or a boarding facility or a veterinarian, this may be the perfect truck for you. Check this out. This is our 2017 Ford F-150. It is a crew cab, four-wheel drive, and it's equipped with a fiberglass colored to match top. It is also equipped with the factory trailer tow package and the electronic locking rear axle, along with the black platform style cab steps. But none of that is what makes this truck special. Wait till you see this. You see, this truck is a former canine police unit. It has a built-in kennel, access door to the front part of the cab, as well as an automatic climate control system. With the push of a button, the rear windows will deploy and the automatic cooling system will kick on, providing ample ventilation for any animal in the cab. The ventilation system can also be set to automatic, where the windows will deploy and the fan will come on at either 88 or 93 degrees.
Climate guard active 88 degrees. Climate guard active 93 degrees.
So there you have it, as promised, possibly the perfect truck for any animal lover. Give me a call or shoot me a text, 423-421-8342. Talk to you soon.